fishing question?
It's now or never.
$3,000 meters.
3,000.
Probe signal. Good.
Now comes the fun part.
Grace go out on hull to retrieve collector? No fun at all.
It's a joke.
Oh, humor. Confusing.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What problem? Question.
It's fine. It's just this guy is slightly on fire.
Words of encouragement.
You can't just say words of encouragement.
Words of great encouragement.
Nope. Feel that?
Yes.
I'm not worried. Are you worried?
Yes.
Great.
Collector is closed. Move winch into position.
How long is this supposed to take?
Collector should be here soon.
Yeah, it's here.
Amaze, amaze, amaze. Careful, Collector. Important.
Yep.
Altitude warning.
Oh, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry. Grace. Grace, status update. Status update. Grace. Grace is safe? Question.
I'm okay.
Good, good, good. Come inside with Predator Collector now. Why not moving? Question.
Warning. Exterior temperature elevated.
Must move now. Go, go. No, Grace. Bad idea. Come inside.
Be there in a minute.
No, 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 no. Grace will die. Can repeat mission. Can try again later.
I don't think there is gonna be a later.
Abort, abort, abort. Grace will die. No, 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 no. Grace?
I'm here.
Amaze, amaze, amaze. Grace, okay, question?
Well, I'm not dead, so yes.
Good, 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 good.
Where is that noise coming
Noise
from?
is from all around. It's loudest at port side of bedroom.
Gravity's tearing the ship apart.
We leave now. Question?
Leave now. Statement.
Hull pressure
landing in big room below bedroom.
That's the fuel tanks.
Oh, bad.
Well, it's not great.
Warning.
Okay. Everybody, calm down. Calm down. Try and keep yourself together, Mary.
Stop engine now.
Not yet. We need to get into orbit or we'll crash.
I have an idea. First, no crash. Then, not explode. Deal?
Deal. Hold on.
Now?
Wait.
Now?
Now. Did we do it?
My ship moving? Question.
There's a hole in it!
Hull breach. Port side fuel compartments 11 and 12.
What happened? Question.
The fuel is migrating, Adrian!
Eject bad fuel bay. Question.
Yeah!
Jettison port fuel tank compartment 12. Confirmed.